delay. So the pump is not started yet. So the flow sensor is blinking. I'm gonna check to see if these pressure switch was tripped. That's one. That's the other one now. So not tripped. I'm gonna see if I can put it into test and see what happens. Yeah, I don't know what to make of this, man. Look at the electrical. Like, is there something to reset here? It's an old school panel. Seems like I have to open this panel and see the wiring and everything, but it's not calling for cooling for the tower fan. I don't know. This one is blank. I'm gonna open it and see if it's getting any voltage or what's going on with it. But the pump is still not running over here for the circulating pump. So this circulating pump needs to go to for the flow on the tower and the chiller to have flow. So I reset the alarm and everything, but it's still not going. I'm gonna try to see if I can get that pump going and then see what it does after that. So breaker for the pump. Overload. It's going off on overload. Phone starter and burnt wires. Try the pump, turn it on, the pump runs, but it's seized up and then this is damaged. So we have to replace the pump and we have to replace the start. You should want a pump. Circulating the water on the chiller side, that's where we get the flow. This new pump is circulating the water on the condenser side. So both of them should work hand in hand with the cooling tower. But if that pump is down, it's not gonna do anything right now. So we have to replace that pump.